everyone doing? I hope you're having a great holiday. Today I'm going to show you how to make these combs that seems to be so popular and people are paying their money for. So what you would need is, a cone. Of course, I'm using a short one because I've already done a tall one. You need a comb, a pair of scissors, some tacky glue, and fabric of your choice. I'm using the rose gold because my colors this year are silver, rose gold, and pink. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm back. What you're going to do, you're going to take your cloth because, these cones, they're really simple to make. You can make them with the foam, or you can take and use a poster board, or you can take and, take an 8 by 10 sheet of paper, fold it up into a cone to make one, stuff it on the inside to give it some, some stability or what have you. But you're going to take your tacky glue and you need to take, and I'm just going to do the top of this one right quick because of course I don't want this video to be that long. I start off with the top because I have a little bitty square because we want to cover this so you won't see the top. Just put it all on there, and I'm going to stick the little square down on there to begin with. You want to glue it all the way around. You want to glue it all the way around. And then you want to spread out your cloth before you take, because this whole entire foam needs to be, the glue needs to go all on it. But you're going to take and lay your cloth out, and we're going to measure this down here at the bottom because you want to get it close to the edge as possible, and if not that close, you can still put it up. We're going to go from the corner. Find a corner on any piece of material. It doesn't have to be in the exact size, just whatever material you choose. Sit there, and you have your glue on it. You're going to wrap it like this, just that far, to make sure it's completely covered. And you would take and, let me sit that there, catch it on this side. You would take and cut this material, cut this material up as straight as, and I'm not going to say so much as straight as you can, but cut it like that. Put that to the side, and this will be enough to wrap your cone. See? That'll be enough to wrap your cone. And you can go back and apply the glue. I have one pre-done because of course we're not going to have this where we're going to wait until the glue dries. So I've glued this one, and see how it's hanging off here and there, but at the top it has the piece of material on it. So you're going to take and you're going to cut that off once it dries. I'm going to cut it off, and keep in mind this is sequence, so you really won't be able to tell where it begins or ends. So I'm cutting this around the top as close as I can. See, it's there. And we're going to cut this bottom off. Put your scissors level with this and go all the way around like that, and voila, it's just the bottom. You won't be able to see the bottom. It's up to you if you want to cover this as well, but there is your cone Christmas tree, which is in my rose gold, and I did this one already, which is the silver. And I hope you like this. It's a quick and easy, I'm going to say at the last minute decoration. If there's something you're missing or something you think you want to add to your Christmas decorations, you can do this real quick, whatever colors you're choosing this Christmas. So, with that being said, give me a thumbs up, leave me any comments, and of course, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss another video. And I hope you like the pictures at the end. Happy holidays, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, everyone.